Hi, so this is the second portion to updating the Showcast 100, okay? After once the lights stop flashing red, the multi-view will pop up and it will give you this firmware update message. It will tell you the process of firmware update is not complete, please, basically an error message. It does that. We're not 100% sure why, but it still updates. So if you see this error message, you're going to see it actually. So when you see this error message, it's okay. Just press yes. Then from here, we have to calibrate the T-bar, okay? So it depends wherever you have your position at right now, okay? So I have mine's in the down position. If you have yours in the up position, just follow the steps, just the opposite, okay? So what you wanna do is move, I have mine down again. I'm gonna move the T-bar up. What you wanna see is these two turn red and then go back to white. I'll show you what I'm talking about right now, okay? So I'm gonna move this up. You see how it's still red? It's okay. Press start. Start should be save. I'm gonna press start. Okay, so start is save. Apologize, but then it's on the up position. You want these to turn white, okay? So you press down. See how it turned red then white? That's what you want. So go ahead and press start again, which should be save. Then you move up. It turned red, then white, then press save again or start. Okay, again, if it's red, when you go up or down, press start or save, then move it again, and then it should turn red, then white, then press save, then move it up, press start, press save, okay? You wanna make sure the red goes away, because if you save it with the red cut auto on and don't change it, it's gonna get stuck on those two, okay? But basically, just follow my video. You know how I showed red, just press start, move it again, should change back to solid white, okay? So once you do that, I start with save, so the left side save. I did both up and down and I saved it. Again, I'm gonna show you again just to be safe, okay? So I'm gonna go down, red turn to white, press save. Then up, turn to red, then white, then save. Okay, from there you press okay. Then remove the USB drive. Then all you would do again is go to menu, setup again, second page of setup. Then your firmware should show now 407, okay? So again, update the unit. That is the process of how to do it. If you're still having issues or questions, just let us know and we'll help you further from there, okay? Thank you.